Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. Welcome to Tuesday morning. Hope you're all feeling well this morning. Sun's back out again. That's fantastic. Just want to talk about something important this morning. We're all sort of online at the minute using our phones and everything else. But we need to remember, whatever we post online is permanent. It never disappears. So if you've posted it and you think you've deleted it, it's never gone. The problem we've got with that is that some people can take a snapshot of it, use it, and then sometimes it can come back and haunt you in the future. Obviously, at the minute, employers, especially in this online world, will look at your internet history and what you like and what you dislike in order to make opinions about you. So it's really important we take care of our social media posting at the minute. Never do anything in the haste of the moment. Never do anything when you're upset. Think about it. A little tip for you. If it's something that your nan or your mum wouldn't want to read, it's probably good not to post it. So make sure you don't do that. Lots of information today. I'm going to hand over to Miss Dole for you.
Good morning, everyone. So from me, a fun maths fact of the day. So it only takes 23 people to enter a room to give you a chance that 2 of them have the same birthday. So only 23 people in a room and the chance that you have the same birthday. If you increase that to 75 people, then it's a 99% chance that 2 of you would have the same birthday. So a nice little fact. And on that note, I am doing the birthday shout outs today. So we have 4 today. So happy birthday to Katie in year 9, 14 today. Happy birthday to Alfie and Cara in year 11, 16 today. And happy birthday to Louis in year 9. Happy 14th birthday. I hope you all have a lovely day. And I'm going to pass over now to Miss Collier.
Good morning, thanks Mr. Doyle. Just a few things from me this morning. So first of all, our wellbeing segment of the week. So remember last week I spoke to you about the 5 ways of wellbeing. So to connect, be active, take notice, keep learning and to give. So today I want to focus on the keep learning aspect of wellbeing. So on our social media pages, we've posted a link to the British Red Cross. Why not try to learn some new first aid skills? They've created a home learning page. So you can look at how to help someone who's bleeding heavily. You can help looking at burns and head injuries. 3 really vital first aid skills that could help you or help someone else in the near future. So you can find those links on our first aid pages, on our social media pages. I'm out to do the teachers shout outs now. So Chaz in year 9, Miss Selby, fantastic interaction with online learning, so well done Chaz. Paramveer in year 12 by Miss Tanda for biology, great work participating in class discussions and you've improved your attitude to learning across this half term as well, so well done. And finally, it's my job to say kind of final goodbye of today's assembly. So just remember our kind of everyday rules. Wash your hands, stay safe, 2 meters away from everybody. If you go out for your exercise, be sensible with it. Think about eating healthily, just keeping fit, and stay safe, look after yourselves and everybody else. Have a wonderful Tuesday.